Great morning, everybody. Mario.Jordan with the Jordan team, broker by eXp Realty. I am out in Duluth, Georgia right now, north of Atlanta in Gwinnett County. I'm about to check out this 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom new build out here. It's a pretty nice house. I'm gonna show you the inside. Let me show you what the front looks like real quick. Actually, across the street look like it's also for sale. This house across the street, but we're here for another house today. So it's a nice little quiet neighborhood. So this is the front of the house. Like I said, it's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, pretty new build. It is staged, so you'll get a good idea of what the layout can be whenever you purchase the house, and you can see what it looks like. All right, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. I'll flip the camera. All right, so you got the open floor plan in this house, the very high ceilings. This is really nice. Open floor plan, dark wood floors. Come right into the kitchen space. Oversized island with the quartz countertops, white cabinets. Let me give you a full view going all the way around. So I have the gas stove with the griddle in the middle. Here's your microwave. It's installed in the island. Stainless steel refrigerator, a lot of cabinet space, stainless steel, everything. All the appliances are stainless steel. You have the farmhouse sink. Like I said, these are quartz countertops, oversized island in the middle. All right, so let's go upstairs on the terrace level. So look like it's wood upstairs in the hallways, but carpet in the room. So here's room number 1. And room number 1 actually has a patio. Go and take a look at this real quick. So yeah, it has its own patio. Here's the backyard. All right. Room number 2. Fairly small rooms, but it just depends on how much space you really need. Room number 3, we'll look at the owner suite last. So here's room number 3. Here's the bathroom in the hallway. So this is a shared bathroom. So here's your tub shower combination, your linen space here. And then we come to the owner suite. So the owner suite is a pretty nice sized bedroom. So this is the owner suite. Back up so you can get a full view of the room. Carpet. Here's your closet right here. And here's the owner's bathroom. So we have the his and her sink, or the dual vanity sink, as some like to call it. And then you have your mirror going across the partial length of the wall. Then your stand-up shower. And then a separate tub here. It's a really nice tub. Very nice, very nice. All right, so let's go downstairs back to the main level. And then I believe there's a lower level. So if you're in the market to buy, please reach out to the Jordan team, myself, and my wife, Tayla Jordan. We can definitely assist you in your real estate needs, whether you're looking in Duluth or anywhere else in the metro Atlanta area. I'm also licensed in Tennessee as well. So if you're in Tennessee and you're looking to purchase a home or you're looking to sell a home, please reach out to me, and I'll be more than happy to assist you in your real estate services. All right. So I'm lower level here. So this is the family room / bonus room. So this can be an extra entertainment space, whatever you would like to make it. And it has a gas fireplace, carpet downstairs. Here's a half bath. Yeah, so this is a half bath, or some like to call it a powder room. Here's your laundry room, very spacious laundry room. And then we have an additional bonus room here, or it could be a bedroom. You can make this a bedroom, you can make this a workout room, you can make it an office space, you can make it a rec room, you can make it a study, you can make it whatever you would like it to be. This is, if you decide to buy this house, you can make this room whatever you want it to be. You know, the options are limitless. So your HVAC stuff there, water heater and whatnot. This is a huge storage space or closet. If you decide to make that a bedroom. And then I think this is, I don't know why I can't. That's enough. All right, yeah, here we go. 2-car garage. So this is a 2-car garage. Plenty of space, even if you want to add any extra shelving in here, you have plenty of space with 2 cars and some extra shelving space. You can hear the echo. That shows you how big it is. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is it. So again, this is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home with an open floor plan on the main level. On the lower level, you have an additional entertainment space, family room, and then on top of that, an additional bonus room, which could also be a bedroom, a rec room, a workout room, whatever room you want that room to be, it can be that. So I hope you enjoyed this tour of this house. Again, if you're interested in this house, reach out to me, and I can set up a personal showing, and we can come out. If you're interested in any other houses, reach out to me or my wife, Tayla Jordan, and we'll be happy to show you houses in the metro Atlanta area. If you need any referrals to any lenders, we'd be more than happy to send you the lenders that we work with to get the process started. All right, reach out to me, dreamhomesatl.com, or go to my wife's website, taylorssalesatl.com. Hope to hear from you soon. Have a great day. Peace.